Top 5 Best Partition Room Dividers. Number 5. Room Divider Folding Partition Privacy Screen. Easy to assemble. The large room divider is very easy to assemble as it simply requires a Phillips screwdriver. You can assemble it all by yourself without needing the help of your roommate. With simple, easy to follow instructions, you will have this partition room divider up in no time. Room divider. This divider is ideal for anyone who is living in cramped quarters with other people, such as in college, school, church, small offices, or starting out in your first apartment. This living room divider allows you to carve out your own space without breaking the bank. Multi-purpose screen. You can use this screen divider to create separate classroom spaces or as a background for Skype calls in offices or to create additional worship spaces in churches. These room dividers also work great for kids' room to settle fights. Freestanding. This freestanding structure can be used literally anywhere, whether it is your office, garage, patio, living room, or kitchen. This portable balcony privacy screen allows you to get your own space no matter where you are. Divider dimensions: 72 by 71 inches, dark gray color frame and fabric, offering a neat and classic look. Coming in number 4. Giantex 4-panel 5.6 feet tall wood room divider. Ideal solution for partition. Our 4-panel room divider screen is 5.6 feet tall, so it can cover most of the space you want to cover. The folding screen is a perfect choice for dividing up large rooms or creating an enclosed personal space for yourself. But unlike ordinary walls which are completely enclosed, there is still space at the top and bottom of the screen for air circulation. Foldable design with 3 shelves. 3 support panels pass through our room dividers, providing you with more storage space. You can put your books, plants, decorations, etc. What's more, our room divider has 6 durable hinges for connection. The hinges that connect the panels allow you to instantly fold up the screen for easy storage and transportation. Well-chosen materials. We especially selected high-quality Paulownia wood as the material to manufacture the room divider. The whole frame is sturdy and durable enough to be used for a long time. Square feet increase the friction of the ground, making the folding screen more stable and not easy to dump. Natural and simple design. The fantastic craftsmanship is applied to the room divider, whose flawless louvered is useful and unique. This folding privacy screen is made entirely of wood, which has a natural, simple, and unsophisticated look. With this divider, you will be closer to nature. It can be used as an ornament to add an antique style to your home. Multifunctional usage. The partition room divider serves not only as a room divider, but also as other additional functions. It can be placed next to a window and used to block out sunlight when in hot summer. It can also be used as a door in a small space. It's also totally suitable to use the room divider as a background wall, and with 3 shelves you can put some exquisite decoration on it. Coming in number 3. Esright 6-panel bamboo room divider. Beautiful and practical industrial design, made from high-quality nature bamboo, with weather-resistant characteristic which is durable and stable to use for a long time. Also, this privacy dividers with dual 2-way hinges for easy to fold in either direction, easy to storage as you needed. It's still environmental protection and looks more beautiful. Gain privacy and divide areas of your home. Our room divider will provide extra privacy for a living room, bedroom, or shared apartment and avoid some embarrassment of life. Perfect to separate small to large living spaces, add more decorating options to your space, or just put it in the home as an oriental style ornament. No assembly required. We pack this divider only with 1 box, no assemble required. That means you can use it at the first time when you receive. We also attach great importance to after-sales service. If any damage or defective issue, please direct write us, we will provide best solution. High quality and durable material. All bamboo boards used in our products are formaldehyde-free, conform to the P2 requirement of California Air Resources Board, CARB, which is environmental pollution-free, durable, and stable to use for a long time, no painting, no glue and non-toxic, fits for baby room as well. Easy to move and store. This 4/6 panels office divider is lightweight and completely foldable, so it's easy to store without taking up much space. Meanwhile, it is flexible, and you can change or move it freely. Single. Coming in number 2. Sorbus Room Divider Privacy Screen. Creates privacy suitable for dressing privacy, porch privacy, privacy from neighbors on patio, covers windows, blocks off unsightly items, divides sleeping areas for guests. Room Divider Screen, 8-panel, espresso. This partition-style screen divides your room for privacy or simply to display as a decorative accent. Versatile use, ideal sunscreen, home decor, partition furniture, decor screen panels, patient divider for clinics, makes room distinctions without real walls, adds intrigue and defines space in studio, apartment, living room, bedroom, kids room, sunroom, laundry area, backyard, patio, and more. Complements bohemian, modern, traditional, rustic, farmhouse styles. Foldable panels, no assembly required. Two-way hinges allow for folding in either direction and provides arrangement flexibility. Simply expand to the length of your preference. Lightweight and easy to move, folds close for storage when not in use. Decorative design, stylish diamond weave pattern in espresso, made of Russian camphor pine and paper rope, has 8 panels, double hinged for folding if used outdoors. Protect from elements and store indoors after use. Each panel approximate 19.5 wide. Overall unit measures approximately 130 by 19.5 by 69 inches. Coming in number 1. Room dividers and folding privacy screens. Flexible panel and easy to storage. Our room divider is made up of 4 panels of the same size that allows you to adjust to the actual construction of the room. The privacy screen can save you a lot of renovation costs. At the same time, it is flexible, and you can change the style freely. Completely folded up for easy storage. 4-panel room divider privacy screen. Room divider. Protecting privacy, our 4-panel room divider is specifically designed to divide the room into different areas and create a private space, and add more decorating options to your space, while adding a touch of modern design style. The polyester fabric screen is not only breathable, but also easy to clean, ideal for creating sleep or study spaces. Room divider privacy screen. Partition wall. Wide range of applications. Our room dividers are lightweight, flexible and easy to move, and you can move them anywhere you want. And it is suitable for a variety of scenarios, such as living room, bedrooms, restaurants, office, changing rooms, and more. It folds up narrow enough to be stored in the warehouse when not in use without taking up a lot of space. If you have any questions after receiving the product, please contact us in time. We will solve the problem for you in the first time. Humanized dimension design. The size of our room divider is designed according to the height of most people. It can meet the needs of most people in the process of using the folding screen. Item weight, 15.4 pounds. Every single screen divider size, 68 by 16 inches, unfold dimension, 68 by 65 inches. Room divider screen. Divider screen. High quality and durable. The room divider made of solid steel, the frame is sturdy and strong with great bearing. And the plastic coated surface is scratch proof and wear resistant. The soiled hinges are made of stainless steel and are sturdy and durable. It is can use for over 10 years. 4-panel room divider folding screen. Room divider.